Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate elephants and flowers theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on that. Then you need to update your Messenger application first by clicking on this update. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open Facebook Messenger. And here you need to select any conversation, so I'm going to select this one, and then you need to click on this icon, and here you need to click on theme. So once you click on that, you simply need to scroll down. So here you can see elephants and flowers. You simply need to click on that and click on select again. So now you can see that this theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.